So Roseview Windows, we're a manufacturer. Rose Collection Sash windows, which are a range designed to replicate the sightline and detail of a timber box sash, but made from uPVC, so you get the modern benefits of thermal efficiency, acoustic performance, and maintenance-free. This particular model has a 35mm meeting style, which really kind of replicates what a traditional box sash would have, which is a key detail. It's got continuous horns, so instead of what sometimes you get where they're just bolted on, it's a continuous part of the profile with a flush cap detail. It's got a deep bottom rail, again to replicate what a traditional box would do. And the construction of the Ultimate Rose it's called a mechanically jointed system. So similar to carpentry, every single joint on the window is either vertical or horizontal, instead of the sort of telltale 45-degree weld that you would get on plastic. We have the capability of color bonding. So we can do any rail colour at all to match people's preferences, and that can be either one side or dual coloured. So this particular is like an azure blue, which obviously makes it stand out. And yeah, so that's the Ultimate Rose as far as the sight lines are concerned.